Now we will make a fillet to this cut. Select any one edge, 5 mm. Fine, then say OK. So go to circular pattern, select any circle, 5, fine. Features to be pattern, select this cut and then fillet. In preview it's showing perfect, fine. Next we will make it a shell. Go to shell, select this face to be open, 0.6, preview, perfect. But in the neck area we will take the different thickness, 0.75 on this face and this face. This two face has 0.75 and this other everything is 0.6. say OK. Shell is done. We will check it now. Okay, it's perfect. Now we'll work on the cap area, bottleneck. Now we'll work on the bottleneck. Select front plane, sketch, take a line, make such a profile, take a 3-point arc, select this point and this line, make it coincident, which is 2 mm, and this one is 2.5 mm. Angle is 30 degree. This length 0.75, radius 1.7. This will be 3 mm. Total height is 7.5. Now select this line and this point, make it coincident. Perfect. Now take a center line, exit from sketch, go to revolve base, say OK. Fine. Now we will go to the thread. Okay, select this edge, select bottle. Here we will select SP400 L8. Here we will make it 9, 8. Okay, fine. Say okay. Sorry, it's in dark pink color. So which is I selected is thread method is cut thread. So I have to select it as extrude thread. Now it's in a green. Perfect. Say okay. Thread is created. Fine. Thread is created, but the finish is not proper, so we will make it fine. So need to create one plane here. Select this face and select plane. For reference, I will take this point. I want in this point. Say okay. Then select this plane and go to sketch. Select this edge. Exit from the sketch. Sorry. Sketch. Select this edge. Convert entities. Okay, after creating the sketch with circle, don't exit from the sketch. Then go to the feature and curves and select helix. Now here I want to select the pitch here. So I need to check this thread about the pitch. Here is selected the pitch 3.175. So edit the sketch, then go to feature, curves, helix. Here also we need to select 3.175, revolution 0.12. Start angle I will take 0. No, what I'll do is start angle 80. It should be minus 275. Okay, it's very near now. .270. Fine. It's a clockwise and direction is proper. Now say okay. Now I'll hide this plane now. Then I'll go to the 3D sketch, select this helix and convert entities. Exit from the sketch. Now again I'll go back to the 3D sketch. Here I'll select 3-point arc, select this point and this point, tab, select a tab to make it on the proper line. Now select this line and this curve, make it tangent. Sketch is fully defined. Now we have two sketches here. One is helix created to 3D sketch and one is we created now. Okay, now go to feature, select the swept boss. For the profile I'll select this face, and this path I'll select this curve. For the guide curve I'll select this helix line. I'll go to the option and make it normal constant. Now say OK. Okay, sweep is created, but little part is coming out of the our bottle, so we need to delete this one. We can also split this part. Insert, feature, split. Trim tool is, I'll use this face as a trim tool. Cut part. Now this part is separated. I'll select this part, then say OK. Okay, that part is deleted. Now the end part also we need to make it proper. So again we will do the same. First we will select the face, create a plane, select the another reference point, OK, select the plane and sketch, then select this edge and convert entities. Circle is created. Now go to the features, curve, helix. Okay, pitch is already selected, 3.175, revolution is 0.12. Start angle we will check. I'll just say 80. Okay, it's very near. I'll make it reverse direction, clockwise. $85. And make it lesser. 82.5. 82.8. Fine. Say OK. Hide this plane. Now go to the sketch, 3D sketch, select this helix and convert entities. Exit from the 3D sketch. Helix is done. Now I'll go back to 3D sketch again, select the 3-point arc. I select here and select this point. Now I will click the tab, the proper position. OK. Now I will select this curve and make it tangent. Fine. Now exit from the sketch. I'll go to the swift boss, profile, I'll select this face. Path, I'll select this one. Fine. This area is also fine now. Perfect. Now our bottle is looking fine. All detailings are done. Now I'll give the appearance to this. Go to appearance, plastic, clear plastic. We can frosted plastic and select. Real view. Fine. Now I'll start stickering this. So I'll select this face, select the face again, then here go to advanced, then browse, I have already downloaded the COCA-COLA sticker, then say open. Need to save this one, then yes, then just drag this profile, okay, this is inverted position. Here I will rotate this one. Fine. Perfect. Say OK. Now see, decaling is perfect now. This is how we created Coca-Cola bottle in SolidWorks using so many features of SolidWorks. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Good day. Jai Hind.